In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your HubSpot and Apollo accounts to ensure a smooth and efficient workflow. This integration is a crucial step for those seeking to optimize their contact management and data synchronization across multiple platforms. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, you'll need to log into both your HubSpot and Apollo accounts. If you haven't already, open up your web browser and go to HubSpot. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, set it aside for a moment. Now let's head over to Apollo. Similarly, navigate to the Apollo website, enter your details, and log in. Once you're in Apollo, locate the Integrations section. This is typically found in your account settings. If you're not sure where that is, look for an icon or menu item labeled Settings or Account Settings. Click on Integrations, and from there, you'll see a list of various platforms you can connect with Apollo. Find and select HubSpot from this list. You'll now be prompted to connect your HubSpot account by authorizing access. This is a pivotal step as it allows Apollo to communicate with HubSpot and exchange data. On the screen that appears, you'll see a button to authorize access. Click this button and you'll be redirected to HubSpot. Here, HubSpot will ask for your permission to allow Apollo access. Read through the permissions, and if everything looks good, click Authorize. This step is crucial because it ensures both platforms can synchronize data without any hitches. After you've authorized access, it's time to configure your sync settings. This configuration will determine how contacts, leads, and activities are synchronized between the two platforms. In Apollo, you'll see options to customize these settings. Take a moment to consider what data you need to flow between HubSpot and Apollo. Do you need all contacts to sync, or just certain leads? Make your selections carefully based on your organizational needs. This customization ensures that only relevant information is transferred, keeping your databases clean and manageable. Once you've set up your sync preferences, it's very important to save your changes. Look for a Save or Apply button and give it a click. This ensures that all your configurations are recorded and set into motion. Finally, let's verify that everything is working as it should. After saving, check both platforms to see if the data is flowing as expected. In HubSpot, look for newly added leads or contacts that should have come from Apollo. Conversely, check Apollo for any data that's supposed to sync from HubSpot. If everything matches up, congratulations, you've successfully integrated HubSpot with Apollo and your platforms are now in sync, ready to enhance your productivity and data management capabilities. With this integration complete, you'll find managing your contacts and processes much more streamlined and efficient, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, building and nurturing your business relationships.